Hello, my name is Bipin Tiwari and I'm taking care of Operations and Technology Division of Kingsley Engineering Services. Now we are associated with Greendot from past 1 year, and the first year project that we executed, we have achieved remarkable results. So we started with implementation of HR practices. Now we have assigned proper roles and responsibilities to our employees. Then we also have a very proper control over our purchase, production and store. We have set reorder level. We have good control over our incoming and outgoing material, and we have reduced our inventory remarkably. So when we started the project, I would say our inventory at that time was around 55 to 60 lakhs, and right now, as on date today, my inventory is just 5 to 6 lakhs. We are reusing lot of material. We are reusing pipes, plates. We are not purchasing material without proper BOM, without proper purchase requisition from our production department, and we have controlled our production lead time remarkably. So before the project, I used to have delay of 1 to 2 weeks or even maximum of 1 month, but from past 4 to 5 months I have no delay in my production, no overtime we are doing, and the employees are very happy. So I would like to thank Greendot for their support, and the next year project that we have taken with them, we are definitely going to focus on brand building, on digital platform, and also we are going to work on development of SOPs and MIS system for our company. So thank you very much, and it is a great support from Nirav sir and Milanji, who's coming to our organization and guiding everyone. So highly recommendable. Thank you very much.